Hey guys, it's Harrison here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get free Disney Plus. This totally works, guys. It's a promo code provided by the Walt Disney Company and through a website I found on Reddit. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's super insane, guys, and this totally works. So if you need to get some free Disney Plus promo codes, I'm the guy, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's get right into the video. This fully works, and it's super insane, guys. So if you do need to get some free Disney Plus subscription, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Guys, so what you want to do is go to this website, zestcoupons.com. So once you're on this website, guys, what you want to do is go to the search bar and just type in Disney Plus. And as you can see, guys, it says Disney coupon codes. So you just want to go ahead and press see more. And then what we're going to do is go ahead and press show coupon right there. And then you just want to press unlock code. So what it's going to do now is it's going to unlock the Disney Plus coupon code. Now, I'm not going to actually show you guys in this video any of the coupon codes, but this is totally working, guys, and it's super insane. So if you do just decide that you're going to pay for Disney Plus, guys, it is super expensive, and that's why I encourage everyone to avoid paying for Disney Plus, because you can actually get free Disney Plus with this video, guys, which is super cool. So if we type in Disney Plus, you guys can see right here, if it loads and we go over to the in-app purchases, you guys can see it is actually super expensive. So they are charging quite a bit of money. So that's why I would advise you guys to just get it for free by going over to Zest Coupons, which is the best website to get promo codes. They actually have a lot of different promo codes for different platforms, which is pretty cool. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, and get the word out, because it actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But this is really cool because Disney Plus has such an incredible library of shows, and I want to watch them all, but I don't really want to pay for it. So that's why I got this promo code. But it's totally legitimate and everything like that, so you shouldn't get in trouble. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoy the video, though, because this is totally working, guys, and it's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in a future video, and peace out.